Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We are back with my H6. It has been a while since I've updated you guys with everything, but luckily I have a special treat for you guys today, is that we're going to be installing some new parts today. I've owned this car for around 11 months now, and I would say around 7 or 8 of those months, this car has been on coilovers. But the problem is, I've had coilovers, but not control arms. Here we have some RSR rear lower control arms. This will allow the car not only to fix my camber issues, but it'll allow it to drop a lot lower, especially with this extra bolt on top. It's important that you get the additional toe arm. I just went along and got some simple SPC toe arms, nothing special, just something to get the job done and fix the alignment issues I have.
I'm throwing shot after shot, yeah. How far am I? How many chances I got? I know I blew a whole lot, but this is more than a try. There's more in the plot. I should know, already seen this a million times. And this ain't how it stops. I'm saying this cause I know you listen when it drops. I keep asking why the Uber so slow. Like how fast could it?
Hey guys, we have both of the lower control arms in. I don't know why, but that was one of the hardest installs I have ever done. It's just so stressful torquing down bolts and then like you're afraid of snapping it and whatnot. But man, I'm not doing any more suspension stuff anymore. I'm freaking done. This is so stressful. I'm tired though. It's so hard working and torquing everything down while being under this car, especially since it's not like lifted in the air where I have total room to do everything. There's literally no room to do anything, to torque everything down. Like you gotta get in awkward positions and whatnot. Whatever. Of the thing is this piece right here is the toe arm. This helps adjust your car's toe. Pretty much how the wheel faces inward and out like that. I really don't want to install it, but I mean, there's not really much I can do. I already have the parts, I'm already here, so might as well. Tried messing with the stock toe arm, and even though I was able to lessen it a lot, it still is towing out. So good thing I have those toe arms because that is maxed out.
Like how fast could the Escalade go? How much longer till you get home? I said I'll be there before you know it. I'll try it on, get both sizes. Take them home, see how you like them. Baby, I ain't worried about the prices. Spending time alone with you is priceless. And I can't read your mind. This shit don't got subtitles, baby. Can we take a minute, rewind? Cause I can't fill in the blanks. This conversation.
Hello everyone, welcome back. It has been a couple days since Asher and I installed the rear lower control arms and the toe arms. I am actually on my way to get an alignment. So yeah, I haven't driven the car ever since the install, and I'm not gonna lie, the car does feel a little wonky, but that's to be expected. But right now, yeah, we're heading towards Works, and I just realized I'm going the wrong way.
This conversation's all over the place. It shouldn't be hard to say what you think. Let's do this like MTV, let's get in sync. But let's stay up all night on listening. Feel about me, use your instincts. I can't even be mad if they're against me. I know my track record.
Send an XO, Lily, baby, you been on my mind. You just make it right. Don't be telling me you hung up on your ex, cause shawty, he a waste of time.
Hello everyone, we have the car officially sitting on the RSR rear lower control arms and SPC toe arms. The car is fully aligned and everything is fully buttoned and dialed in. For the alignment spec, I am running negative 2.7 degrees of camber all around with the addition of a 5mm spacer. For example, the rears are insanely flush. Keep in mind guys, I have not rolled these fenders or got them trimmed at all. So the fitment is like literally perfect, like down to the last millimeter. My car, I'm running a pretty aggressive stance, especially for having meaty fitment. Usually a lot of times when people have a stanced out car, they have thin tires and they kind of cheap out on tires. I feel like tires can really make or break the look of your car. And I've kind of learned that, especially now with these tires. So I feel like that really aids and helps a lot with the profile of me having it that tight while also having a pretty meaty setup. I just want to say thank you guys for watching today's video, and tell me guys in the comments what you guys think about the fitment. I mean, I'm in love with it. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe it's ass to you guys, I don't know. Guys, do stay tuned for a new video that's gonna be coming up very soon, as my 1 year with this car is like coming up in the next 2 weeks or so, which is pretty crazy to think that I've owned this car for almost a year now. Make sure you guys stay tuned in that new video. Hopefully I can get that video out pretty soon. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya.
I had to send an XO, Lily, baby, you been on my mind. You just make it right. Don't be telling me you hung up on your ex, cause shawty, he a waste of time.